Okay, winterizing strawberries here. I'm supposed to winterize when the plant goes dormant, when it gets cold for the first frost, but that does not look like a dormant plant, which also aggravates me because I didn't get no strawberries all year long because of the chickens and goats, and now I get strawberries when it's winter. But it's fixing to get real cold. Same here, that one ain't dormant neither. But I'm going to go ahead and mulch it because, well, it's fixing to get real cold. So, to do that, it's 2 to 5 inches completely covering the strawberry bed. And so, that's what we're doing here. Anyhow, this will stay as is until the spring. And, I'll clean it all up then. But, yeah, they ain't dormant, but they're going to have to be mulched because if I don't, they'll be dead by spring because this frost will kill them completely off. So, anyhow, as you can see, 2 to 5 inches, I definitely got that covered there. As long as I can keep the stinking chickens out of it. But yeah, that's it. Winterizing the strawberries. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other bed. And hopefully it's a little more dormant than that. That's a June bearing. This is an ever bearing, which is why there's strawberries on it. Is that it's an ever bearing bed. It just really sucks I couldn't get them during, season. But whatever, that's my luck for me. Get this done, get it off of my list to do's.